To make a mashed potato, I'm using 6 potatoes, and all I'm doing is peeling them. And then cutting them up. For myself personally, I like to cut the potatoes really thin so they cook quicker. Like that. And then just cut all the potatoes up. Once the potatoes are all cut up, we're going to put them into the pot. In a medium-sized pot, I've poured in about 4 cups of water, or just enough to cover the potatoes, and then I'm taking some salt and just sprinkling some into the pot. So probably a teaspoon. And then we're going to boil those until they're soft. I'm using tasty cheese, and I'm going to grate up using the larger side of the grater, about 1 cup of cheese. I've grated up my cheese, which is tightly packed for 1 cup of cheese. So loosely packed, you'd have 2 cups of cheese. Use a fork or a knife to check if the potatoes are soft. So these ones are ready to take out now. And now I'm just pouring it into the colander to drain them. Now we just put them back into the pot. And now I'm taking the potato masher, and we're going to just mash all the potatoes until we get it to a nice creamy consistency. I'm adding 2 tablespoons of butter to that and mixing it through. And now add the cheese and mix that through. I'm using lactose-free milk, and just add about 3 tablespoons and then mix it all together. And now add your salt and pepper to taste. And there you have beautiful creamy mashed potato. Thank you so much for watching.